Good morning, everybody, and a very warm welcome to those in the auditorium and also those joining us online. We hope you have a great event over the next day. I know it's the last day of the event, but my name's Brian Jackson. I'm the Director of BT Surveillance and Smart Solutions, and I want to welcome you to the iconic BT Tower. We'll be proud to be partners of Port of Tyne and to host this event here. Although there's no direct link to the maritime industry, the BT Tower is great observatory, and from the top later today you'll be able to see the ships in the Thames and the iconic views across London. So I hope you can join us later to see that. To move to some housekeeping, toilets, if you've not found them, they're in the main foyer. There are no planned emergency alarms today, so if the alarms do go off, please follow some of the people in the auditorium and follow us outside into the street. Please, can you put your phones on silent? And also, if you'd like to join onto the free Wi-Fi, _Wi-Fi, BT Wi-Fi, that'll help you throughout the day and joining in some of the audience participation. I also like to encourage everybody to come and meet and see some of the partners outside and see some of the technology and innovation we're actually demonstrating. And come and talk to us and ask us questions. We're around most of the day. I've got a team of people from my team here. But again, we've got lots of other partners from Ericsson, from Fraser Nash, Gorilla, Roebuck, Port of Tyne, and other partners, Chrome Angel, CAI, etc. So yeah, really enjoy the day. Thank you for attending and thank you for joining us. And yeah, let's hope the day goes well. Thank you very much. I'd like now to hand over to Matt Beaton, the CEO of the Port of Tyne. Welcome, Matt, on stage.